All right, last lesson of the two-set section. So in a class of 30 students, 20 like football, 12 like basketball, and 5 like both. Draw a Venn diagram, answer the questions. So 30 is the overarching universal number. Okay? 20 like football, 12 like basketball, and 5 like both. So we're going to put football here, basketball here. It doesn't really matter. If you like to, you can put a little 20 with this. You don't have to. Sometimes it helps to organize it. Not required. 5 like both. That's the number in the middle. Okay? Well, if 20 play football and 5 also play baseball, 20 minus 5 is 15. If 12 play baseball, but 5 also play football, 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay? If you add 15 and 5, that's 20, plus 7 is 27. That leaves 3 students who are not playing either sport. Now we answer the questions. How many like neither? Okay? I'm sorry, not play, they like. How many like football only? Well, that's the 15. It's not saying 15 like football, it's 15 football only. 5 of them also like baseball. How many like only one sport? Well, that's the 15 who like football, plus the 7 who only like baseball, and that's 22 kids total who only like one of the sports. How many like either football or basketball? Okay. So that's the 15 plus 5 plus 7, which is 27. How many like basketball but not football? That's the 7. Another way of saying that is basketball only. So notice that B and E are the same question, different sports, but worded differently. So how many like this only? How many like this but not that? They're the same question, but worded differently. All right, in a survey, 60% own stocks. So that's stocks. 30% own bonds. Okay, again, if you want to put the 60 and the 30, you can. I'm not. Now, if we're dealing with percentages, that means 100 is always the maximum. Okay. It says 20 own both. So if 60 like stocks and 20 have both, that means 40 plus 20 is 60. If 30 own bonds, 30 minus 20 is 10. If you add all 3 together, that's 70, which means 30 people don't have either of those. Maybe they have mutual funds or don't invest, whatever. Why is this not responding? Okay, let's see. What percent own stocks or bonds? Well, that's the 40. Okay, so sorry, technical difficulties. So, or, that means 40 plus the 20 plus the 10, which is the 70%, which we just did that led to this number. So it's all 3, both circles in the middle. What percent own neither? Well, that's the 30 we already got. What percent own stocks only? That's the 40. What percent own bonds but not stocks? That's another way of saying only bonds. That's 10. So C and D, same question for various categories, but worded differently. And last but not least, the Alpha Club has 35 members. Okay, so we got Alpha. Whoopsie. Alpha. And the Beta Club has 28. At a joint meeting, all are present. There are 59 present. So we know we have 59 total. All right. This one we got to work backwards. We have no other information. So we don't know what's in the middle. We don't know either one. So we go back to our problem of the total is equal to the members in this group plus the members in this group minus the overlap, the ones that are in both. All right. So 35 plus 28 is 63. So 59 equals 63 plus x. I'm sorry, minus x, my bad. I was getting ahead of myself. Minus x. If we minus 63, we get negative 4 equals negative x. So x is 4. So we know 4 goes in the middle. Now it's simple subtraction. 35 minus 4, 31. 28 minus 4, 24. If you add all those up, that leaves 0 because all were present. So there's no other people there. And that is it.